How to enable privacy mode in Thinkorswim. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are using Thinkorswim and want to hide sensitive account information while you are using the platform, first of all open up the Thinkorswim application on your device and make sure that you are logged in with your account or guest pass. Once you're inside, look for the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Go ahead and tap on Settings in the pop-up menu. Inside Settings, toggle on the switch right next to Privacy Mode. Now right after you do that, you'll be able to enable Privacy Mode in Thinkorswim. And that's it. Privacy Mode can help keep your personal trading information out of view when you are sharing your screen. Now you can use Thinkorswim with a little more privacy and confidence. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more easy to follow tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.